A total of 69 seats spread across West Bengal and Assam will go to polls on April 1st. Nandigram, where Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee is locking horns with Suvendu Adhikari, will also vote along with 29 other seats in the second phase, the campaigning for which ended on Tuesday. For Banerjee and the BJP, the battle for Nandigram is a prestige fight. This was the place where she led an agitation against land acquisition in 2007, which catapulted her to the center stage of state politics. Ahead of the second phase of polls in the state, Banerjee's letter, which was released by the TMC on Wednesday, seeks to drum up support from opposition leaders by stating how non-BJP states have suffered due to the Saffron Party-led centre's actions. The three-page letter has been addressed to Congress chairperson Sonia Gandhi, NCP's Sharad Pawar, DMK's MK Stalin, Samajwadi Party's Akhilesh Yadav, the RJD's Tejaswi Yadav, Shiv Sena's Uddhav Thackeray, among others. Former Indian speedster Ashok Dinda, the BJP's candidate from Moina and West Bengal's Purba Midnipur, was allegedly attacked and his vehicle vandalized during a campaign on Tuesday. Dinda was returning from a road show when his SUV was attacked at around 4:30 pm by hundreds of goons wielding lathis and rods, his manager said. The TMC denied the allegation, saying the attack was the result of infighting within the BJP. Ruckus broke out between BJP leaders and shopkeepers on Market Road in Coimbatore today. The incident happened during a rally of UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, who was present in the state to campaign for BJP candidate Vanati Srinivasan. Police personnel are presently looking at CCTV footage and conducting further inquiry. Kamal Hassan lost his cool while campaigning for his party members in Puducherry. Allegedly, Kamal's mic wasn't working for a long time, and hence the senior actor threw the torchlight, which is his party symbol. Joyce George, a CPM-backed former MP from Idukki in Kerala, withdrew his repulsive remarks against Congress leader Rahul Gandhi and apologized for them. Addressing an election meeting in the Idukki district, Joyce said Rahul goes to colleges where there are only women, in a reference to the Congress leader's recent interaction with college students in Kerala, where he was seen doing push-ups and teaching students a few steps of the martial art Aikido. Joyce said women should be wary because he is not married. In Assam's Barak Valley, the BJP's CAA promise, excluding Muslim immigrants, and now its rhetoric targeting Mia culture are playing on the intrinsic divide. While the AIUDF has always had a presence in the valley, the BJP's vilification has turned Hindus against it as well as ally Congress. Cash and other valuables worth over Rs 110 crore have been seized from different parts of Assam this poll season. According to Chief Electoral Officer of Assam, Nitin Khade, this is a new record for the state. In 2016, goods worth less than Rs 20 crore were seized. A total of 39 constituencies will go to polls tomorrow in the second phase of elections in Assam. This covers parts of Middle Assam, including the Tribal Hill districts, as well as South Assam's Barak Valley. In all, 345 candidates, including 26 women, are in the fray in this phase.